Hmm. Hello everyone, myself Rusul Rajarakolu. My topic is half adder and half subtractor with mode selection in which one circuit will work as a half adder as well as half subtractor. Here is the truth table for the half adder in which there are the two inputs A and B and the two outputs such as sum and carry. The equation for the sum is A B naught plus A naught B, which is A XOR B, and equation for the carry is A and B, which will work as a half adder. The In half subtractor there are the two inputs A and B and the two output difference and borrow. The equation for difference is A naught B plus A B naught, which is A XOR B, and equation for the borrow is A naught and B. Here is the circuit diagram for the half subtractor. Here is the circuit diagram for a half adder as well as half subtractor with mode selection, in which when the value of the mode is 1, the circuit will work as a half subtractor, and when the value of the mode is 0, the circuit will work as a half adder. Now I will show this circuit on the Xilinx, how it is working. In Xilinx, I have made the entity in which I have defined the A and B as the input, sum as the output, carry as output, difference as output, and mode as input for the selection of the whether we have to work as a half adder or the half subtractor. In architecture, we have to define the uh, equation of the particular sum, carry, difference, and borrow. For sum, it is a sum less than or equal to not mode and A XOR B, carry less than or equal to not mode and A and B. For difference, less than or equal to mode and A XOR B. For borrow, A borrow less than or equal to not A and mod A and B, and end behavioral. Now we will check the syntax for the same. Yes, the circuit is working. When the circuit is working, it will come as tick. Here is the RTL schematics for the same diagram, in which we can see as there are the two input A and B, and this mode selection is there for selection of the sum and the difference. And here are the four different output for the given, such as the sum, difference, carry, and borrow. After double clicking, we can see the circuit diagram. Here is the circuit diagram for the half subtractor and the half adder, in which we can see the circuit diagram after clicking the complete circuit diagram for it. Here is we have to also define the test bench for the following for the half adder and the half subtractor, in which we have to define the inputs A and B and mode selection for the same. For different inputs we have to define the given circuit diagram. Here we will check the syntax for the same. Yes, it is correct. The given test bench is of the correct. Yeah, then we have to check the simulation part. Here is the waveform of the given circuit, in which we can see that when the circuit is when the mode selection is of the 0, the circuit will work as a half adder, in which when the value is of the 0 0, when the input is 0 0, the sum and the carry is also 0. When sum is 0 and when input is 0 and 1, the sum is 1 and carry is 0. When mode selection is of 1, when mode selection is of 1, the and when sum is when inputs are 0 and 0, the difference and borrow will also become 0 and 0. But when the inputs are 0 and 1 and the mode selection is also 1, the difference are 1 and 0, in which we can see that the same circuit can be used as half subtractor as well as half adder. Thank you.